14 amazing foods that lower blood pressure. Cardiovascular disease is a huge issue in today's society. Thousands of people die from the condition, and it is actually something that is widely preventable. Blood pressure is one of the biggest issues that lead to heart issues and very often, death. It is so important that you try to keep your blood pressure within a safe and healthy level. Well, there are actually lots of different foods that you can eat that will help to regulate your blood pressure and lower it back down to a healthy level. In today's video, I will show you 14 foods that lower blood pressure. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell. You will be notified when we publish new videos. Number 1. Oatmeal. One food that is great for helping to lower your blood pressure is oatmeal. It works because it is extremely high in fiber whilst being low in fat and sodium. High sodium levels are one of the biggest causes of high blood pressure, and so the low sodium content of oatmeal makes it a great option for a nice, healthy breakfast you can have that won't have any negative effect on your heart. Having oatmeal with some berries is a great option for a yummy breakfast. Number 2. Spinach. Potassium is another nutrient which is essential for helping to keep your blood pressure at a low, healthy level. This is because it helps in the removal of sodium, the biggest culprit for high blood pressure, from your body. Leafy greens such as spinach are a great way for you to get a good amount of potassium to really help maintain and lower your blood pressure. Why not have some spinach in your midday salad, or maybe even incorporate them into a healthy smoothie? Number 3. Bananas. Many people take supplements to make sure they are getting enough potassium, but the best way to get your potassium is to eat bananas. They are so portable and can be eaten easily by themselves. Or you can chop some up into your bowl of oatmeal or maybe into a smoothie. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Fancy a tasty treat that won't leave you feeling guilty? Dark chocolate is the way to go. It actually can have a lot of health benefits, and one of these positive effects is that it can help to lower your blood pressure. It mainly works when you are substituting alternative, less healthy, snacks for dark chocolate, as it contains less sugar and fewer unhealthy ingredients than other forms of chocolate. One study even showed that people who had about 100 grams of dark chocolate a day reported with a significantly lower chance of getting cardiovascular disease. Amazing, right? Number 5. Berries. Berries aren't just tasty, they have so many different health benefits. Blueberries are particularly good for you, helping to lower your blood pressure due to the high number of flavonoids they contain. Strawberries also contain these same healthy compounds, and they are so easy to consume as you can just add them to your morning oatmeal or smoothie. Number 6. Skim milk. It is a commonly known fact that dairy products such as skim milk are very high in calcium. Calcium has been shown to help reduce blood pressure levels, and so having a good amount of skim milk is a great way to help reduce your blood pressure. Furthermore, skim milk also contains a very low amount of fat. Fat is something which can build up around your heart and lead to clogging of essential arteries, and so milk's low-fat content helps to limit this and therefore improve the overall health of your heart. Number 7. Yogurt. It contains a lot of calcium and is a good alternative for food to lower blood pressure if you aren't keen on drinking milk. One study even showed that individuals who ate at least 5 servings of yogurt every week reported back with a 20% reduction in their risk of getting a raised blood pressure. Number 8. Garlic. I have done a whole video on the amazing health benefits that garlic can bring you, but I needed to mention it again due to its great ability to lower blood pressure. Garlic contains nitric oxide, which is something that helps in regulating vasodilation. It allows the arteries to widen when they need to in order to lower blood pressure. It is so easy to incorporate garlic into your meals. It is a great way to spice up any dish and add a bit of flavor. Number 9. Pomegranates. The pomegranates are a fruit that is often forgotten about. However, not only are they extremely tasty, but they are a great fruit for helping to lower your blood pressure. It has been proven that if you drink a glass of pomegranate juice every day for at least 4 weeks, then your blood pressure levels can be significantly reduced. However, A good idea is to make your own pomegranate juice to avoid all the added sugars that can be found in store-bought juice. Number 10. Salmon. Omega-3 is an essential fatty acid that the body needs for multiple reasons. It can reduce inflammation, help with skin issues, and perhaps most importantly, it can lower blood pressure levels. Salmon contains a very high amount of omega-3, which makes it extremely beneficial to the health of our heart and helps to maintain our blood pressure. If you are a vegetarian or vegan, then you can always take omega-3 supplements to make sure you are getting the essential nutrient. Number 11. Cinnamon. The smell of cinnamon is something loved by all, and the taste is just as good. Not only this, but cinnamon can actually help to lower our blood pressure in the short term. It is a great quick fix to help lower our blood pressure if we get an unusual spike that just needs a little bit of maintaining. You can use cinnamon in almost any meal to help spice it up and add a bit of flavor, or even have it in the form of a tea. Number 12. Pistachios. Common favorite food to snack on is the pistachio, suitable for vegetarians and vegans. It's a great and very healthy way to help lower your blood pressure. They are believed to work via a compound, which helps to dilate our blood vessels to reduce the resistance and pressure on our blood flow. Number 13. Beetroot. Drinking red beetroot juice is something that has been proven to bring both short and long-term benefits to your health and, in particular, your blood pressure. One study showed that drinking just 1 glass of beetroot juice every day led to a reduction in blood pressure of about 8/4 millimeter of mercury. The average tablet for treating high blood pressure reduces levels by about 9/5 millimeter of mercury. So this shows just how effective beetroot can be. Number 14. Seeds. Certain seeds, such as pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and squash seeds are extremely good for helping to maintain our blood pressure. This is because they have a very high content of magnesium and potassium, which are essential minerals whose key role is to maintain blood pressure levels. Just snack on some seeds throughout the day and your heart will definitely see the benefits. So, there you have the top foods for helping to lower your blood pressure. It is so important to look after the health of your heart, and eating some of these foods on a daily basis is all you need to do. Do you eat any of these foods? Would you consider any of these foods after watching this video? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Stay healthy